Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app. You click on settings, here in this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Mango and we click in this page of app info. You click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. After that you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching your